Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancakes on cast iron. First, ensure your cast iron pan is well seasoned. This creates a natural non-stick surface. Next, preheat your pan gradually over medium-low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This even heating is crucial for perfectly golden pancakes. Finally, add a small pat of butter or a teaspoon of oil to the hot pan before adding your batter. Now let's talk about the batter. Whether you're using a store-bought mix or a homemade recipe, the key is not to overmix it. Lumps are perfectly fine and actually contribute to a fluffier pancake. Once your pan is ready, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Give them a little space to spread out, ensuring they cook evenly without crowding. Watch for those telltale signs that your pancakes are ready to flip. You'll see bubbles forming on the surface, and the edges will start to look dry and set. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. Use a thin spatula to gently flip each pancake. Cook the second side for another 1 to 2 minutes until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once your pancakes are cooked, serve them immediately with your favorite syrup, fresh fruit, or a dollop of whipped cream. If you're making a larger batch, you can keep them warm on a baking sheet in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to clean your cast iron pan properly after each use to maintain its seasoning and ensure it's ready for your next delicious breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.